Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Thursday the 31st of October, Keynsham, Age UK. I don't need any more clocks, but this one caught my eye because it's a radio controlled alarm clock, so it should automatically have the right time on it. And at £1.99 I thought that might be worth having. So we need two AAA batteries, okay? Okay, made a beep. Little aerial is flashing. The day is die at the moment. Can we see that? Oh, come on. How about that? That looks about right. So how long is it going to take to set? There we go. No, that's not quite right. Oh no, that's... No, it's not right. It's an hour out. It should be 14:58, not 15:58. I suppose I could go and see if I can find some instructions. Because I reckon we're in the wrong language. Suppose we could just try. What does mode do? I reckon that's setting the alarm. 15:58. Press the minus button. Come on, I want minus. I think I'm setting the alarm there. I don't want to do that. Ah, there we are. German. Right. English. Thursday. Okay, we got there eventually. I don't know if you could actually see that or whether there was glare on it. But yeah, we had to find the language. I just looked inside. It's the instruction book. Oh, dear me. I didn't see that in there. I pulled the batteries out and reset it, so it's currently an hour out again. because I'm reading the instructions about time zones, Central European time, and Germany is an hour ahead of us in the UK. That's why I had to move that back by an hour. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.